If we go back to our first video and how different this was, just how much vegetation, and now over here, let's pull the view back from over here. Corn bed, I guess you can call that our starter bed. Those are sunflowers for the different places in the yard this year. Strawberries, peppers and green beans, cabbages, onions, herbs. Back there we got broccoli, trees right there. Remember, this was all just vegetation and a mess. Asparagus, so we're letting it just do what it does. Blueberry 1. The new one, Blueberry 2. We got cukes. I really want zooks, but I also want to try watermelon this year. Maybe I tried in there. I don't know. Watermelon, but so different than what there was before. Cut that back. We're gonna have a castor over there. So different.